What if I told you there are AI tools right now making their creators over $10 million a year? Some started just 2 years ago in someone's bedroom. Today, I'm revealing the exact 9 tools dominating the market, their crazy user numbers, and the revenue they're pulling in every single month. And here's the kicker. You can build every single one of these tools today with the right knowledge and approach. The AI gold rush is real, and while everyone's talking about ChatGPT, the smart money is being made by specialized AI tools solving specific problems. These aren't just apps, they're cash machines. Let's dive into the most profitable AI products on the planet right now. Number 1. Copy.ai isn't just another writing tool. It's a content generation powerhouse with over 165,000 active users and pulling in an estimated $2 to $3 million monthly. How it works. Users input basic prompts, and Copy.ai's AI engine generates everything from social media posts to full blog articles. The magic is in their templates, over 90 different content types that businesses actually need. Why it's making bank. Content marketing costs companies thousands per month. Copy.ai does it for $29 per month per user. With enterprise plans hitting $500 plus monthly, the math is insane. Their founders went from zero to millionaires by solving one simple problem: writer's block. Number 2. Jasper AI has exploded to over 100,000 paying customers, generating around $40 to $50 million annually. That's nearly $4 million every month. How it works. It's like having a marketing team in your pocket. Jasper creates ad copy, email campaigns, blog posts, and even video scripts by understanding your brand voice and target audience. The money secret. They charge $69 per month per user, but their enterprise deals go up to $3,000 plus monthly. Marketing agencies are their goldmine. One agency client can bring in $50,000 plus yearly. The founders built this after struggling with content creation for their own agency. Number 3. Midjourney has over 15 million users creating AI art, with estimated revenues of $200+ million annually. That's almost $17 million monthly from image generation. How it works. Users type descriptions, and Midjourney creates stunning, professional quality images in seconds. It's revolutionized graphic design, marketing visuals, and creative industries. Revenue explosion. At $10 to $60 per month per user, with millions of subscribers, plus commercial licensing deals worth thousands, Midjourney's founders struck digital oil. Artists, marketers, and businesses can't live without it. Number 4. Notion AI integrated into their existing platform and saw $10+ million in additional annual revenue within the first year, with over 30 million total users now having AI features. How it works. It's not separate software. It's AI built into the workspace millions already use. Write, summarize, brainstorm, and organize with AI assistants directly in Notion pages. The smart move. Instead of building from scratch, they added AI to their existing user base. Instant monetization. Users pay $10 extra per month for AI features, and with their massive user base, the numbers are staggering. Number 5. Grammarly expanded beyond grammar to AI writing assistants and now has 30+ million daily users, generating over $400 million annually. That's $33+ million monthly. How it works. Real-time writing suggestions, tone adjustments, clarity improvements, and full AI writing assistants integrated everywhere you type. Emails, documents, social media. Money Machine, freemium model with premium at $12 to $30 monthly. Their business plans cost $15 per user per month. With millions of premium subscribers and thousands of business accounts, they've created a recurring revenue empire. Before we move on to the next 4 tools, it's worth noting that the internet today isn't as open and simple as it used to be. Some content is restricted by location, websites track your every move, and managing multiple online accounts can feel impossible without getting flagged. Whether you're trying to browse privately, access geo-blocked content, or securely manage multiple accounts, you need a tool that gives you full control over your online identity. That's where GoLogin comes in. GoLogin isn't just about privacy, it's about freedom, security, and control over your online experience. Here's what makes it different. Unblock any content, access restricted sites, streaming platforms, and services from anywhere. Full digital privacy. Unlike regular browsers, GoLogin stops websites from tracking you. Multi-account management. Easily switch between different profiles for work, social media, or business. Work securely from anywhere. Share accounts with your team without sharing passwords. No IP bans, no tracking. GoLogin hides more than just your location. It protects your entire online identity. 2 GB of free residential proxies included. Get fast and secure access to content worldwide. If you want privacy, security, and complete online freedom, GoLogin is the tool you need. Try it for free today. Click the link in the description. Number 6. Otter.ai has over 5 million users and generates approximately $50+ million annually from meeting transcription and AI summaries. How it works. Automatically joins meetings, transcribes conversations in real time, identifies speakers, and creates searchable notes with action items. Integration with Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet. Revenue stream, $10 to $40 per month per user, with enterprise deals reaching thousands monthly. The pandemic made them essential. Every remote team needs meeting notes, and Otter.ai became the default solution. Number 7. Synthesia creates AI avatars for video content and has grown to $12+ million annual recurring revenue, with over 50,000 companies using their platform. How it works. Type your script, choose an AI avatar, select language and voice, and get professional-looking videos without cameras, actors, or editing skills. The Goldmine, $30 to $90 monthly for individuals, but enterprise licenses go up to $2,000 plus per month. HR departments, marketing teams, and educators are paying premium prices for easy video creation. Number 8. Runway ML provides AI video editing and creation tools with $35+ million in funding and rapidly growing revenue from creative professionals and studios. How it works. AI-powered video editing, background removal, style transfer, and even AI-generated video clips from text descriptions. It's like Photoshop, but for video, powered by AI. Revenue model, $12 to $76 per month subscription, plus pay-per-use credits for heavy processing. Film studios and content creators pay thousands monthly for professional AI video tools. Number 9. Beautiful.ai has transformed presentation creation with AI and generates $20+ million annually from over 12 million users creating AI-powered slideshows. How it works. AI suggests layouts, designs, and content flow as you build presentations. Smart templates automatically adjust formatting, colors, and styling for professional results. Money formula? $12 to $40 monthly subscriptions with team plans at $40 plus per user. Every business needs presentations, making this a massive recurring revenue opportunity. Revenue streams, API pricing for developers, subscription models for creators, and enterprise licensing for major companies. As the metaverse grows, 3D content creation is becoming a billion-dollar market. These tools aren't just successful, they're printing money. Copy.ai, $2 to $3 million monthly. Jasper, $4 million monthly. Midjourney, $17 million monthly. The total market value of just these 9 tools is over $500 million annually. But here's the crazy part. Most of these started as simple solutions to everyday problems. The founders weren't AI experts. They were regular people who saw a gap and built something people actually wanted. The AI tool gold rush is just getting started. Every single one of these tools can be built today with the right knowledge and approach. So here's what I want you to do. Comment below with the one tool from this list you want to build first, whether it's Copy.ai, Midjourney, Otter.ai, or any of the others. Tell me your choice. I'll take the most requested tool and create a complete step-by-step course showing you exactly how to build your own version, launch it, and start generating revenue. We're talking market research, technical setup, user acquisition, monetization strategies, everything. Hit subscribe if you want to be part of this journey, and I'll see you in the next video where we turn these ideas into your reality. The next AI millionaire could be you.